If you want to get curls exactly like this, watch this full video. I'm going to give you step by step on what I do, okay? I'm not saying this is the best way. This is just what I do, all right? If you came from my last video, I appreciate it. I appreciate it, y'all watching that video. I think this is my most viewed video on my channel right now. I was walking home and I took some pictures. I'm going to put them up on the screen. But basically, that's how my hair look. I don't know. If you like my hair, I appreciate it. If you don't, well, I like it. That's all that matters, to be honest, man. I really don't care about too many people's opinions. But, dude, I appreciate the love. Watch this full video. This is how you get curls like this. And one more thing before this video starts. Notification shout out to this person on the screen. If you're new watching this video, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of new people. Every video I do notification shout out. All you have to do, man, I'm sweating because I literally just came home from school. All you have to do is turn on my notifications, screenshot it, DM me on Instagram. Make sure y'all do that. And yeah, here we go. All right, before you watch this video, I need to make this 100% clear. All right, this is not a tutorial on how to get a perm, okay? This is how to get better curls, all right? And keep in mind, this is after I came out of school, right? Literally, you can see my ears are still red from walking home. We live in Texas, it's super hot. So usually what I do, honestly, is I do my hair after I get out of the shower, right? If you get out of bed and do your hair, I don't know, but this is what I do. First step, you have to make sure your hair is wet, all right? So I'm gonna do that. I'm literally gonna restart all my whole hair right here. Need to make sure it's wet. I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me wetting my hair, okay? Alright, no weird shit, bro, but I'm gonna be in the shower. I have shorts on, alright? Don't give me none of that, okay? I'm just showing y'all exactly how I do my hair, okay? And the best way is to show y'all exactly step by step. So I already wet my hair a little bit in the sink, but I'm just gonna show y'all the exact way how I do it, okay? Alright, and I'm not completely naked. I have shorts on. I'm just doing this so I don't get my whole clothes. Alright. Well, basically, first, you turn on the water. Oh, fuck. Usually what I do, next part is a conditioner. Honestly, this is one of the most important parts. One of the most important parts, right? Usually I get one fat pump and just put it all through my hair. I think this is one of the most important things to do whenever you're, to get nice curls is a conditioner. Put it all through your hair, all through your hair, all through your hair. Then you rinse it out. All right. So usually when I take a shower, the first thing I do is my hair and then everything else, right? And then I'm gonna show y'all when I get out what I do. All right, so just for video purposes, I'm gonna step legit out and this is what I do, right? So I get a towel, right? And one of the biggest things, I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do. I just seen it on the internet and it works for me, right? So basically, you're not supposed to rub your hair like this. Do not do that, all right? What I do is I pat my hair, okay? And when you first get your perm, you're gonna need to be super gentle, super gentle, all right? Just pat your hair. What I do is I let my hair hang a little bit so all the curls can come out, and then I'll pat it down. As you can see, the curls are already showing, all right? All right, for the rest of the video, I'm gonna put a shirt back on because, I don't know, I just feel kind of weird and I don't wanna, I don't know, hopefully this video doesn't get age restricted or something for me having my shirt off. But the next part is the most important part of this whole video. This is my secret, this is my sauce. Shout out to Taylor, she's the one that told me about this special ingredient, special sauce, and this is what I do for my hair. So make sure you like this video, share it. If somebody needs help doing a perm, better curls, this is exactly what I do, okay? All right, keep in mind, this is what works for me. For me, I'm not saying it's gonna work for everyone, but I believe this is what works for me, okay? But basically, the secret sauce is right here. Hold on, let me get out of it for her. Miss Jessie's multicultural curls, all right? Me, if you look at me, I'm pretty white, okay? Y'all can see it on camera all the time. But it says multi-textured curls, mixed heritage textures, soft defined curls, wash and go styling, fast no frizz, and frizz free. Honestly, I just put on my story what's a good product, and I got lucky with this girl named Taylor. She's, you know, she's super white, right? And she got a perm her whole life, and she says she's been using this. So I say, you know what, I have no products to try, might as well try it out. And you know, I tried it out, best thing that's ever happened. So first thing what I do, once you get this, I'll link it below obviously. But first thing I do is I get about a finger, like, I like to use a lot because, you know, I'm extra. But I get about 2 fingers actually, 2 fingers. 2 fingers much, right? And I put it in my hands, right? Keep in mind my hair's still wet a little bit. And I like to hit it from the back. I like to start it from the back, all right? And I just, it's like a lotion, I think that's what it's called. And I just get it all through my hair. All through my hair. All through my hair. Depending on how long your hair is how much you're gonna need to use. Usually, so that covers the back, right? And you wanna scrunch your hair, you know, just play with it, make sure it's all in. The next thing, I get another 2 fingers. It's just for me. Probably gonna need to buy some more soon. All right, all through the hands. And now I go from the front. Then what I usually do is I like to scrunch my hair like this. I just like to scrunch it a lot. Just to, I don't know, that's what the girl said to do. The girl that told me about this product. I don't know if it's because she has longer hair. She has girl hair, obviously. But for me, I don't know. Scrunch. Then you just go crazy. This is all I do right here. Boom. I go exactly, hold up. You know, just fluff it up a little bit. On the sides, for me, the sides stick out sometimes, so I like to push them back in. Scrunch them in a little bit. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. But, and the back too. Make sure the back of your hair, I don't know if y'all can see, but make sure the back of your hair is scrunched up too, because that's an important part. But after that, that should be it. Your hair is gonna take a little while to dry. Your hair might feel a little hard, a little wet, but just go crazy, and that's exactly what I do when I go to school. It's gonna be wet for a while, but yeah, if y'all want a 360 real quick, I'm gonna back up for y'all. .360 real quick. I'm gonna give you a nice closer. I'm not sure how it looks in the back, but scrunch it up enough, should work. That's exactly what I do for my curls. These pictures right here is how it comes out. You just gotta let it dry. Obviously, curly hair takes a while to dry. But I think that's it for this video. Remember, 3 products that I use personally. Here's the shampoo. I don't think shampoo matters too much. And I think I got confused when I was when I was in the shower. But this is the conditioner, right here. Yeah, it says conditioner. I put a lot of this. I think this is one of the most important things to do too. The conditioner, right? I forgot to say this early in the video, but a super important thing you need to know when you get a perm is that when your hair is wet, it is gonna look shorter. It is gonna look smaller because your hair is more, you know, tight, you know, like, right? And then whenever it dries, it's gonna fluff up, right? So if y'all look, y'all remember from the beginning of the video, it's not as big or poofy, right? And then y'all saw earlier, my hair was lighter too. But so yeah, when it's wet, it's gonna look a little, boom, there you go, good lighting for y'all. Damn, shit, that should be the, shit, that might be the thumbnail. But yeah, your hair is gonna look a lot more shorter. Whenever it dries, it's gonna poof up, it's gonna get all nice and curly, you know what I mean? It's gonna look good, all right? And honestly, those are the only products I use out. My secret's out there, all right? So if you want hair like these, exactly what I do. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like if it helped you. Let me know. Also too, if you tried these exact things, I want you guys to come back to the video and let me know if it helped you, all right? Or DM me on Instagram, whatever is easier for y'all. And one big thing, okay, one big thing. This is for the people that watch the full video. People that already clicked off, man, this is for y'all. But I recorded a Q&A with the person that did my perm, okay? She answered all the questions, literally all the questions that everyone had. The only thing is that in the camera angle, I don't know why it makes me look kind of, I don't know, bro. I was watching the footage and I look kind of cross-eyed the whole video. So I don't know if I should put it out or if I should just, you know, get rid of the footage. Also too, if you live in the San Antonio area, Erica, she's the one that did my perm. Her number's on there. She's literally one of the, like, super easy, super smooth. Don't be nervous, guys. If you want to get a perm, just tell the person whoever cuts your hair or whoever that you want to get a perm, all right? It's your hair. This is something that people are going to look at every single day. Impression, you know, people go off your looks, all right? So don't be scared. It's something super big, all right? You need to ask them, I want a perm. Do you know someone who does perms? All right, do not be scared. That's another big thing. But yeah, she answered that in the video too, how to ask for a perm. I don't know if I should drop it. I don't know, y'all let me know. Comment below, like the video, and also subscribe, turn on notifications. And you just watched another Julian Barboza video. Bye. Oh, fuck.